Kotaku post number 2 on the show, streamer Dr. Disrespect says he's suing Twitch. The streamer claims he knows why he was banned last year and will sue for damages. Haven't talked about this story in about a billion years. Does this constitute an update?
Mm-hmm.
Like hearing that a celebrity you don't care about has died, it's impossible not to want to know why the game streamer Dr. Disrespect was banned from Twitch. So from the beginning, he said, listen, I know why this is the case, but I'm not telling you for whatever reason. And of course, one of those reasons might be that you want to have a lawsuit at some point.
Sure.
And so you keep all the information to yourself. He was famously banned from Twitch June 2020. I remember this. No reason was given neither to the viewers nor to the streamer himself. At the time, Twitch would only say, as is our process, we take the appropriate action when we have evidence that a streamer has acted in violation of our community guidelines or terms of service. These apply to all streamers, regardless of the status or prominence in the community. Since then, rumors have been swirling, including on this show here. I mean, we talked about it when it happened.
Mm-hmm.
People thought, oh, maybe it's something harassment related. Maybe did he say something? Did he do something? Were there accusations against his behaviors? Was there a victim? It can be very damaging to a person's reputation. And in some cases, the damage is justified if the activity or action took place. But in other cases, especially in cases where we just are lacking information, it becomes tough to figure out how to process it. Mm-hmm. And I presume this is the case that will be made with this lawsuit is like, hey, I suffered from this thing. My brand suffered, et cetera, and you did not have good reason or the accusations were false or whatever he's going to end up saying. But anyway, it looks like this post he put out finally opening up went to YouTube, where he appears to be streaming these days, I suppose.
Yeah.
Or it used to be some mixture of YouTube and Facebook and whatever else. But yeah, you had to feel that at some point you were going to get some sort of conclusion to this story.
Do you think we'll ever find out?
Well, if it goes to trial, then I presume we would. I presume we would if it goes to trial. Would it go to trial, though, or would they settle it beforehand? Mm-hmm. They probably would settle it beforehand, in which case it then... years later, often they can share details after things have been settled. But I wouldn't hold your breath. I don't think we're going to find the exact details immediately.
Right. Yeah.
Don't hold your breath, Will.
Well, I'm gonna.
It's better when you're breathing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good luck.